Alright guys, now here's the end of the Holy Gym trail, and we're gonna start with the northern main divide. That's gonna take us all the way to the top of the peak. This is Kevin going uphill, and I'm barely moving because I'm a fat ass. Alright, voila. Bingo. And this is end of Holy Gym right here. 5 miles. Alright. Now we have to go this way.
Which way?
Take a break here this way.
Alright.
Lift.
What's up, guys?
Hi guys, how you doing?
What's up?
I'm dead, man.
Looks like you guys doing good.
Yeah guys, see, that's how I look like.
What's up?
See how I look like. See this?
You gonna make it up there?
I will.
Yeah.
How are you guys doing?
Good.
Awesome. What's your guys' names?
Cameron.
Cameron and?
Katie.
Katie and Rami, my buddy Kevin. Nice to meet you guys.
How much farther is it, you know?
Huh?
Like 3 more miles or something?
Right now, 3.5 miles up.
Okay.
Yep.
Alright, cool.
Alright, you guys have a good time, alright?
Thanks.
See you guys. We'll see you guys on top. We got motorcycles, dirt bikes, alright. Hello, how you doing? Awesome. This is awesome. Hello. See that there, guys? See that sun right there? That's the upper. Okay, but we're gonna go left. But this is the end of the trail right here. We're gonna go keep left. Keep up. Alright. And we got Kevin behind us right here. Hi Kevin.
How's it going?
Is he with you too?
Yeah.
Ah, new. How you doing, sir? How are you? Man, there's a lot of hikers today here. A lot of hikers, a lot of mountain bikers, and even we saw 2 dirt bikes. So that's kind of interesting. Talk to you guys later. This is RAMIDOGG, and you know I'll be back with more footage. Go Lakers. Kevin, say hi to the camera. Whew. Guys, there's, dude, look how much, so much flies. See, there's some snow right there. See, there's snow. You're almost to the top, baby. A couple of 2.5 miles will be on the top. So I'm out of it right now. Today is actually, to me, this is extreme hot. I hate hot weather. So I'm out of shape completely. You guys know that. I made it before. Flies, they fly everywhere. How can I fly everywhere? Alright, anyway. Me and Kevin here, guys. Going hike. Going to the top, Santiago Peak. I'm done. I'm dead. So tired right now. Whew. Gotta make it top though, baby. Cannot give up. Cannot give up. Come on, fly, go away. Alright, we'll talk to you guys later. This Kevin right there. Running away from fly, but no way. Alright. So, it'll be fun. Good time. Alright. Got a bunch of kids playing over there. Yeah, so much flies, dude. Dude. Man. So many flies here. Move. Look at that fly, guys. So many flies. Horrible.
Some water, yeah. I saw some snow up there.
Oh, snow, yeah, we saw a little bit over there down. Oh, right on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One guy said there's about calf high.
Oh. Some snow there, guys.
Okay.
And a bunch of kids are playing with the snow right there.
Hey.
Some snow right there.
How much? This much? guy. We talked to the guy coming down. He said some spots it's not high.
Be careful going down, girls! You. Ooh, this rock sliding. The adventurous, that's awesome.
They are.
That's great, man. Those are your kids?
One of them is.
One of them, okay, friends, that's awesome, man. Just be careful! Right on, man. My friends, I'm dead. Whew. Alright, guys.
It's awful.
There's too many flies in here, we gotta keep going. I hope I'm dead. We'll talk to you guys later when we get to the peak.
There's snow at the top.
That's me and my buddy Kevin. We are on the flats right here on top. There's a bunch of hikers. More hikers there. More hikers there. Hikers right there. There's a hiker and his dog over there. The views here, spectacular. Not better than the top, but gorgeous views. I am dead tired. Okay, so dead. So dead. The views are spectacular from here. Me and Kevin. Hi, Kevin.
Hello.
Rami's dead. Rami's tired, guys. Oh man. Just wait to see the view right here. The view is spectacular. Right. What's this? Look at this. Look at that view. But the view I'm talking about is the second right here. Whew. Huh? No, watch. Come here, the view. You can't see downtown Los Angeles from here now. Look at the views. Hello. How you doing, sir? Oh, dude, look at that. See, that's a lake right there. That's Lake Matthews. See the lake? It dropped 2,000-3,000 feet right now. Look at that drop, Kevin. Look at that, dude. Look at snow! There's snow here. There's snow. Yeah, hee-haw. Dude, that's snow. Excuse me, buddy. Excuse me. Oh, that's the first time I ever see snow on a Saddleback right here. That's awesome, guys. Nice. This is the view right here. It's of course hazy, over kind of pissing me off, but oh well, it's gorgeous still. So beautiful. So beautiful. I wish if that's just the whole oh, hazy. I hate hazy. Dude, how steep in here? Steep, eh? Oh, crazy. Kevin? Yeah, videotape me going in the snow.
You gonna go in the snow?
Yeah, I'm gonna go in the snow.
Right.
Okay, don't shake it too much. Oh. I know we're gonna have. Dude, do I really have to go there? Yes, I do. Yup! Snow, baby! What's up, dog? What's up, baby? Alright. Turn it off and take me a picture right here, baby. This is Kevin now. He's gonna haul ass all the way to the top. Because it's gonna take me a long time for me to go on top. He's a very good hiker. He waited for me most of the time. All the time, but you know, we're almost there, so. About like a mile or so. Maybe a mile. So I don't, better for him to just haul ass. I'm a slow hiker, so he's right there. RAMIDOGG right, baby. Guys, this hike is something else. It's the totals 20-mile hike. It's a great hike, extreme hike to me. A lot of people just can do it to the top in 3 hours. Me, it took me about 5 hours, 5.5. Alright, so the views are spectacular. More hikers there. There's a lot of hikers. Last time when me and Martin did it, there was only 2 of us, and we saw like three hikers, that's it. So not many. 3 or 5 or something like that. I'm out of diesel right now, you know. RAMI diesel. Alright guys, thank you Evan. Evan got me this design right here, this shirt. So I'll meet Kevin on top. Oh hell yes. And this is steep right here guys. This is almost the peak. So I'll talk to you guys later. I'm tired. And this is almost the top guys. Snow baby. And the saddleback right here. That's awesome. A lot of snow there too. Look at that. A lot of snow there. Look at that, dude. This is sick. This is my first time in the snow in California. I know, it's crazy. This is awesome. This is awesome, guys. I'm about probably a 3/4 mile to 1 mile to the peak. So, very cool. Very excited. Snow behind me. Oh, look at this is untouched. So nice. That's awesome. Good stuff. Good stuff. Awesome. That's sick, guys. Good stuff. More snow there. More snow up there. This is almost the peak, guys. About close to a mile. I got to go. This is neat. First time for RAMI CS snow on the Saddleback Mountain. March 6, 2011. Me and my buddy Kevin. Kevin's already on top right now. Alright. And you know me, I'm a slow hiker. Out of shape, so it took me a long time. And I am so happy. Last time me and Martin did this, there's no snow at all. Now there's a bunch. It's kind of neat. So we'll talk to you guys later, huh? This is awesome. This is Lake Matthews right there. Alright. So guys. So much fun. Neat. RAMI in the snow, guys. Took this trek. Tough. It's hard. A little bit icy. Woo, slippery. Slung. This is awesome. Talk to you guys there. This is awesome. There's a lot of snow here. Wherever you look here, close to the peak, there's snow. I'm out of it. Tough. Especially when you're a shape like me. It's really tough. Oh man. That's interesting. First time in the snow though in California. Especially on Saddleback Mountain here. First time ever for me. Whew. That's awesome. Talk to you guys there. A lot of snow.